I didn't know it was so easy. Just 3 ingredients and it melts in your mouth. In a container, add 1 kilogram of sugar, 200 ml of coconut milk, 200 ml of water, and now mix everything very well. After the sugar has completely dissolved, take it and place it in a pan. It is no longer necessary to stir. Now just leave it on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. After that time, let's do the point test of our candy. Dripping a little water. This type is very special. We are going to need it, and when we throw it on a plate, it has to make the sound of falling glass like this. Guys, you can leave it for less time because mine ended up a little bit past the point. But it's alright, and even so, our candy will work really well. Grease a countertop with a little butter, but if your sink is made of stone, it's even better. Just dump all the contents and don't scrape the bottom. Let it cool until you can catch it. As mine went a little past the point, it's gone a little firmer. But that's no problem. Just keep putting it together and we'll stay that way. When you go to your house, get everything at once. Here, I'm just taking a little bit to show how the process is. And now I just stretch it from one hand to other until the candy turns white. When it's very white and firm, it's already at the cutting point. Just stretch and cut the width with your choice. Guys, honestly, this candy is delicious and everyone in your house will love. And as soon as 10 to 15 minutes pass, it will already be melting in your mouth. But if it isn't, just take it to the fridge for a bit. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.